feeling, yeah. Street light, people, whoa. Don't stop believing. Hold to that feeling, yeah. Street light, people, whoa. Don't stop. All right. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. I can get to sleep. I think about the implications of diving in too deep, and possibly the complications, especially at night. I worry over situations I know we'll be alright. Perhaps it's just my imagination. Well, day after day it reappears, and night after night my heartbeat shows the fear. Ghosts appear and fade away. Alone between the sheets, it only brings exasperation. It's time to walk the streets and smell the desperation. At least there's pretty lights, and though there's little variation, it nullifies the night from overkill. Just day after day it reappears, and night after night my heartbeat shows the fear. Go